Hi everyone, here we've got a HTC Desire 12 Plus and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Now let's scroll and find the security and location. Let's tap on it, and here we have to scroll down again to find encryption and credentials. Let's tap on it, and at the very bottom of the list we've got the clear credentials option. So if you're ready, simply tap on it. If you're really ready to remove all the contents, tap on OK. And actually, this is it. This is how to remove all certificates, all credentials in your HTC Desire 12 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.